As we move into our remote learning days, keeping emails from students organized within our Gmail is going to become very important. So one way to do this is by using labels, otherwise known as folders, within your Gmail. For those of you who have not done this yet, there are a couple different ways that you can do this. So I've sent myself an email, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to file this email inside a folder that I've already made. So you can see I've got a folder here called Future Dates, and you can see under this I have some other folders, some subfolders. So with this email selected, I can click on Move To and move it into my Future Dates folder. So now if I come back and look in my Future Dates folder, you can see right here is my newest email, File in Future Dates. I'm going to come back to my email. This one I want to file in my Harrisburg U folder, which is a subfolder within the Future Dates folder. So again, I'm going to select that, click on the Move To button, and here it is, Future Dates Harrisburg U. I click on that, and when I go into Harrisburg U, there's my email called File in Harrisburg U. I'm going to go back to my email. If you don't have any folders yet, what you can do is select an email. In this case, I'm going to put this into a new folder that I'm going to call Steph. I'm going to click on that Move To button again, but this time down here it says Create New. So I'm going to click on Create New, and I've said in here that I want to name the folder Steph. So I'm going to name this Steph. This right now will appear out here at this main level. It won't be a subfolder. If I want to make it a subfolder of a folder I've already made, I can click on Nest, and I can choose the parent folder that I want to choose to have it in. So like my Future Dates would be a parent folder. Right here is my parent folder. Or I could make it a folder within a subfolder like the Business Intern. So you can see this is my main folder. This folder is within the Future Dates folder. But I'm just going to make this a new folder by itself. So I'm going to click on Create, and it's going to put it alphabetically. So let me minimize this. And there it is down here, Steph. It's at the main level. Now you'll also notice that there are 3 dots, the hot dogs at the end of Steph's folder. I can choose a label color if I want. So Steph will make you purple. So now you can see the Steph folder is purple. I can show it. I can choose any one of these if I want. I can add a sublabel, so a folder within the folder, or I can remove this label altogether, and it will get rid of the Steph folder. So now you'll see the Steph folder is gone. So there's also a way that you can have incoming emails automatically go to a folder. I will put the link at the end of this video that will get you to that video. If you have any questions about Gmail and how to organize all your emails that you may be getting from your students, so here I've already got one from a student who's checking in. If you have any questions, let me know.